दोस्तों and welcome back to my channel Gupshup with Monica. Hope you all are doing well and thank you for all your love and support जो आपने मुझे दिखाया मेरे first video के लिए. I really appreciate it. और अगर जो लोग नए हैं मेरे चैनल पे और जिन्होंने मेरा वीडियो नहीं देखा है, so I'll share the link below in the description box. So please go and check my video. So guys, without further ado, let's dive into the video. Today's video will be very informative and helpful for people who are going to take G1 test in Ontario after the COVID outbreak because centers have now reopened. So guys, in this video, I'll be talking about my G1 test experience, which I gave a few days back. Then I'll be telling you about the complete process. I'll be also giving you some tips and tricks which will be really helpful to you. And also I'll tell you that just by studying for 2 days, how you can clear the exam by the apps which I'll be mentioning in my video later. So watch till the end. तो start करते हैं video by telling you यहाँ पे कितने type के license होते हैं. Just going for the 4-wheelers as of now. So there is 3, G1, G2 and G. G1 is your knowledge test, which comprises of 40 questions, 20 of rules and 20 of science. We'll come to it later. Then you have the G2, which is a practical test. Isme they'll make you drive in the neighborhood, in the city, but not on the highway. And you have the G test, जो आपका final license होता है, full license, wherein you can drive on highway, the neighborhood, city. तो आपको सब पे they'll make you drive. So let's talk about the 2 scenarios. First scenario जहाँ पे आप new driver हैं, like me, जिसके पास अपनी home country से you don't have any experience of driving. So for that you have to come here and give your G1. You have to wait for 8 months. You have to get a good instructor जो आपको train करेगा in driving. Then you can give your G2 test. And again you have to wait for 1 year to apply for the G test. But in case you have the experience from your home country in driving, you can come here, you have to give your G1 test anyhow, but the time period that is there for 2 years, that is the wait time, that will be reduced to 2 months अगर आपके पास है the DL extract. So tip number 1, get your DL extract from your home country. Let's talk about how to get your DL extract. So DL extract, some people also call it your experience certificate. So you have to get it from the RTO, your registered RTO back in your home country. You can even apply online. There is a site Parivahan. I'll share the link again in the description box. You can go and check. So you can apply online and you can go and collect it from there. But the main thing to remember is you have to see that the years of experience, the issue date, the expiry date, along with the address is mentioned in the DL extract. Also make sure that your DL extract is stamped and signed from the concerned RTO official. Otherwise, it will not be considered as a valid document here. So guys, let's talk about my G1 experience after COVID. So the centers were all closed for 3 to 4 months and they have opened by end of June. And there have been certain changes. Like आपके birth month के हिसाब से now they are calling you week. You know, every week there is a slot. So that depends. You can go and check on their site, the MTO site. I'll share the link in the description box below. So for example, आपका birth month है say February. So they have a week assigned for it. Say Jan to April, all the people who are falling under this, they are called during that week. Then you have say May to September, they are called another week. So that is how they have divided. So you can go and check on the site. You don't have to take any appointment for G1 test. आप directly जा सकते हैं. And you can just make sure that you reach well in advance. The timings on the weekdays are 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. And the weekend timings are 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. So whatever time suits you, you can go and give the test. So once you reach the center, आप वहाँ पे बाहर wait करेंगे. There are long queues because people are maintaining social distancing. Once your number comes, the concerned employee, they'll check your birth month. Also make sure that you wear your mask. otherwise you will not be allowed to enter the premises. आप अंदर जाते हैं, you will be given a token जिसमें आपका नंबर होगा, and you have to wait. There are multiple counters, a lot of counters, say 14 to 20 counters are there, and there is a display screen जहाँ पे आपका नंबर display होगा, and you can check on which counter you have to go. So once you go to the counter, a person will be there. They will ask you for your photo ID. If you have your driving license or the DL extract, you have to give them that. And then they'll go through your documents. They will give you a slip. They'll ask you to enter your address, your phone number, and your signature. Once you do that, they have an eye testing kit placed there. So tip number 2, people who wear specs, make sure that you carry your specs along because there will be an eye test happening. So that eye test is quite simple. They'll ask you to read some alphabets. Also, there will be some lights flashing and you have to tell in which direction it's flashing. So it's a quite simple test. Also, tip number 3, make sure that you are well groomed because they'll be also clicking a photograph which will be there in your driving license for quite some time. So make sure you go well dressed. Once that photograph is also taken, a person will go and check the slot availability. If you are lucky enough, आपको immediate slot मिल जाएगा. But if you are unlucky like me, you can get a later slot as well. I got the slot 1.5 hours after. I reached there at 2:30 and my time was around 4:15, 4:30. So I have to wait. Once that is done, they'll tell the slot and then you have to do the payment. For G1, it's around $105. But if you're giving for G1 and G2 together, it's around $158. So now they'll give you a slip. तो आपके पास आपका slot time है उस slip में. अगर आपका immediate slot है तो you can go directly in the room that is assigned. If not, you have to wait in a queue. And जैसे ही आपका time होगा, the concerned people there will call out. For example, if you have a slot of say 4:15 like me, they'll call out 4:15 slot people to come in front and then they'll take you to the room. So in that room, again, it's very well organized. वहाँ पे you have a lot of monitors kept and the concerned person again there will check your photo ID क्योंकि they need to check कि जो slip दी है the name of the person and जो test देने आ रहा है वो same हो. So they'll check the photo ID and they'll give you a monitor. You can go and give the test there. So the test was really good. And I'll tell you, I just studied for 2 days from the app, 2 apps. So one was the Ontario G1 driving test 2020. You can go and download it from your Play Store. And the second was the Apna Toronto. There are questions there in that site. So you can go and check out that as well. And nothing else is required. No need to go through any books, no pamphlets, nothing. Just go through these 2 apps and I can assure you that you will clear the test. And the link I'll share in the description box below. You will be getting 40 questions, 20 for rules and 20 for science. And in each section, you have to get minimum of 16 correct. It's not like आप एक section में 20 out of 20 ले आए and दूसरे में you are getting 14. You will be failed. आपको दोनों में minimum 16 लेके आना है to clear the test. So guys, with all the tips and tricks that I told you, I am sure you will clear the G1 test. And once you do that, you will get a paper which is a temporary driving license, which looks something like this. You will get this and this is valid for 3 months. Also, they'll be sending you your DL card via mail. So now guys that you have cleared your G1 and you will be looking forward for your G2 test, which is through appointment. So for that, you need to go to the drive test site. There you will be asked for only two things. One is your DL number and second is the expiry date of your DL. So guys, another tip here, once you enter the details in the site, make sure जो आपका एक्सपायरी डेट है, यू मेंशन इट 5 years फ्रॉम द वन मेंशन्ड ऑन योर टेम्पररी ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस, क्योंकि आपका कार्ड आने में टाइम लगता है, विच टेक्स से अराउंड 15 days to 1 month, एंड आपको अपना G2 टेस्ट यू नीड टू बुक इट एज सून एज पॉसिबल डिपेंडिंग ऑन द अवेलेबिलिटी. सो अगेन आप जब उसमें एंटर करते हैं एंड द वन दैट इज देयर ऑन योर टेम्पररी ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस, दैट पेपर दैट इज डिफरेंट एंड इट डजंट मेंशन एनीवेयर फॉर 5 years, तो आपको वो 5 years कैलकुलेट करके यू हैव टू पुट इन द एक्सपायरी डेट. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल से आपका डेट है 1st June 2020, यू नीड टू पुट देयर 1st June 2025. So 5 years आपको एक्सपायरी डालना है एंड देन यू कैन बुक द स्लॉट एज पर द अवेलेबिलिटी. So yes guys, this was all about the driving test. अगर आपको ये वीडियो थोड़ी सी भी इंफॉर्मेटिव या हेल्पफुल लगी हो, so do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It's a new channel and I need your love and support to grow this channel. Also, अगर आपके पास कोई भी questions हैं या कोई भी queries हैं, do comment in the comment box. And you can follow me on my Instagram handle. Till then, stay safe, spread happiness, peace out.